let this thing rock out till the folks come in, man. Shout out to Tevin Campbell, man. He cook anybody in the verses as long as it's only like 5 to 10 songs.
Yeah. Anything past 5 songs, then he in trouble. He in trouble, dog.
Yo, shout out to everybody tuning in. This is the Bodyhood Friday Live. For those that'll be watching the replay, for those that are going to watch live, wait for you to come in. We're going to be here. You know, it's going to be a short show tonight because we got to get prepared for tomorrow's festivities. You know what I'm saying? You see, I got my Tevin Campbell cooking in the background. You know, whoever comes in, let us know where you are. You know, who's checking in with us. I see folks coming in now. I mean, let us know who's here. Let's see what family shows up. What's up, Corey? How you, bro?
Man, I'm living, man. You know, I don't complain about being alive, dog. Never complain about being alive. You know what I mean? We all got problems, but those problems are temporary. Just like joy is temporary, so is pain.
Shout out to my old basketball coach from back in the day, Mr. George Anderson. He used to say, "Did you die?" I be complaining about something. He said, "Did you die?" And I'm like, "No." He's like, "So what you complaining about?"
Yeah, right. You won. You didn't die. You won.
There you go. Don is here. Adrian is here. Adrian, what's going on, Adrian?
Yo, I had like 4 football coaches used to say that. Yo, what's up, Don?
Don's here. What's up, Don?
We officially started here at Bodyhood.
And since Don is here, I just want to say, what's goody, Don? What's really good? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, Chick-fil-A's in the building as well.
Oh, man. Jim drinking trash truck juice.
Listen, we got to be short show tonight, but this show is going to be dope because I got some new stuff to show y'all, man. I'm always showing y'all how we get to the dollar, man. We got 11 ways to get paid. So, and we share it all. Like, all the information is to be shared.
Yeah, man. The game is to be told.
Yo, Google Home is amazing. Like, and I know they're watching everything I do. Matter of fact, I got an extra one. I'm gonna give it away somehow. We're gonna do a show or something.
Yo, put the spin wheel up. Put the spin wheel up, dog.
I'm not gonna give it away tonight. I'm gonna give it away.
I'm just saying when you do.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put the spin wheel up, and we're gonna find a way to give it away. We'll do like a class. We'll do a free class. You know what I'm saying? Like, give it to somebody in the university.
Yo, I got some NBA top shots to give away tonight. So we
okay. All right, we're gonna get some top shots. We're gonna get something away.
I only could give one away at a time though, because what's the name be tripping when you try to do more than one.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh, he's in North Carolina.
Of course.
Andrew, what's good, Andrew? Yo, make sure y'all hit that like button, share, and all that good stuff when you come in here.
Share,
wait for Ethan to go back up. Hey, Google, stop. You know what I mean? Yo, I wish I had that when I was a youngster, man. When I was like, you know, could put any song on I wanted. Like, that'd have been amazing to have. But that's either here nor there. Yeah, man. So we're gonna share a lot of good stuff tonight. Tomorrow we got the special event. It's sold out, so I can't wait to that. And we're gonna bring the fire. I'm gonna show folks some stuff. They're gonna be like, yeah. First of all, the stuff I'm gonna show is like beyond belief. They're not gonna believe it anyway.
They're not.
The portion of the program me and Corey are talking about is diversification, stock market and crypto, adding that to the real estate. So it's the base of it is real estate, and we're gonna talk about the diversification piece, how to add other sectors in, because that's what we do. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody knows my story. Real estate's my thing, but I figured out ways to diversify my portfolio. What they say on this page, diversify my bonds. Anyway, but with that being said though, Steve, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for that, man. We gonna show some fire stuff tonight. Like I said, we're not gonna be here long, but I want to show y'all guys something that's amazing. First of all, we're gonna do a pack unopen. That's the first thing, all right? So I got these NFTs. It's like the Monsters of Rap, and it's an NFT. So I'm gonna actually do the live unopening on air, and just to give y'all guys a quick glimpse in terms of what the hell I'm talking about. Let me show some older NFTs. Real quick, that I have on the Wax blockchain. All the stuff I'm going to do is on the Wax blockchain, right? A whole other blockchain. But here we go. Nonetheless, this is my Wax wallet that I'm showing right here for the folks at home. And if you look under NFTs, right? So I got a bunch of NFTs. Yes, Garbage Pail Kids in 2021. This is the NFT version, right? So I got these. This is just some of my portfolio of NFTs here. But if you see this right here, this is an actual pack. So I'll be opening that pack live on air. You know what I'm saying? I got MF Doom NFT right here. And this one is actually valuable. If you look at this right here, it says 98 of 98. So I have the last one that will ever be minted. So it has a certain value associated with it. I got the Street Fighter joints, and I got a bunch of other hip hop joints too. You can't see them now because I'm staking them. And for those who don't know what that means is I'm actually getting income from my NFTs.
Yeah,
So
man. It's you
yeah.
can it's real out here, man. The world crazy, man. It's real as hell out here, man.
Yo, first of all, shout out to everybody in DCG, right? And I'm gonna tell you why. DCG is so phenomenal because like the conversations and things you had. So part of what I'm showing is I got from a brother in DCG who was telling me like, yo, you got NFTs. I'm gonna show you how to make bread with them. So we getting paid off our NFTs right now. So we getting paid off the NFTs. We getting crazy returns with our own bank. You know what I'm saying? We got the stock options on autopilot. You're buying the real estate, and this is what it's all about: is bringing all these things together. But this piece right here is a crazy piece of it, right? Because think about it: if you're making money with the stock market, you're buying your long-term buy and hold, your ETFs, and you're setting them to the side. You're getting those dividends. You learn how to make 1 or 2 trades per week. You're buying a piece of investment property, right? Then you buy NFTs and you're getting cash flow from NFT. Like, yo, you're unstoppable at that point. And this is kind of like the space we're moving into. As we're in 2021, there's so much money being made in the crypto space that we want to make sure we continuously share that information with our folks because the money being made in crypto right now is insane. I know a lot of you. A shout out to our brother Jay Johnson because Jay is went head first. You guys see the returns that Jay is showing, right? For those that know what I'm talking about. We're getting several thousand% on our money right now. So this what a time to be alive is all I can say, Core. You know
Yeah,
what I
man.
mean? But
Listen, I ain't got nothing else to talk about, man. Like, you just said it. Like, it's
what a time to be alive.
just sitting. The money just sitting still,
Yeah,
getting just cooking.
yeah, man. So I'm gonna wait like 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna actually open up this pack and I'll show you guys opening up this pack in real time. Yeah, Jay is definitely wrecking shop, right? So Jay, me and Corey have put together what we call like a DeFi bank, right? Neighborhood DeFi banker. So we're going to push that forward to help more of our people learn to set up their own banks. And now the crazy part is the way we're moving with this whole idea of banking. It applies to everything. It applies to real estate. How to make your properties their own bank. So you don't. We about to move away from the system. We just trying to do it a whole different way. You know what I mean? How you can use your stock account as your own little bank. So, and that's kind of what we're moving to, man. We moving away
Yeah,
from the system,
man.
man. Yeah,
Like
amen. So tomorrow's
freedom,
definitely gonna be
man.
top notch, and Jay is definitely wrecking shop. Um, yeah, great info. Don't even worry about it. You ain't see nothing. Yeah, we about to really get into it. As a matter of fact, what we waiting for? We ain't gonna be here all night, so
Yeah.
let's get into it, good brother. Let me do this real quick. Let me share my screen and just jump right into the mix. Let's get into to everything. All right. So, all right, my screen showing, Core.
Yeah, it's there.
All right, cool. So as you can see right here, this is just a different look at some of the NFTs. But here it is, Monsters of Rap, right? So let's unpack this bad. Let's see. The gold pack. All
How
right.
much that diamond? I can't hold up. My eyes.
You can't see it.
I can see it. I can see it. I just didn't have my screen on.
I'll show you
I
real quick.
put
Let
it
me
on
see
full
it.
screen. No, I had to put it on full screen. That was me.
Okay. All right. So this is basically their home site right here. It's called Monsters of Rap. So they take various hip hop artists and they kind of like add it to like a monster type theme, but they're NFTs. That's kind of what makes them special, what have you. Let me see something real quick. If you log into this Wax wallet. All right. So here we go here. Boom, 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 boom. Unpack. Unbox. All right. So I think 8 cards come in each one.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what it looks like. All right. So basically, I'm getting ready to 8 cards coming here. We're going to see which cards I'll get. All right, let's keep it cracking. So let's just go. And of course, you got to prove everything on the blockchain. And by the way, this is the Wax blockchain. This isn't Ethereum. Whoa.
It's like a thunderstorm, John.
Yeah, what the hell is popping with this? Maybe it's not letting me do it. All right, hold on. Let me try something else. I think it's because I was sharing it. Let me see something. me see if I can reshare it because that was kind of nuts.
Yeah, that joint was black.
I got you though. Had to share it this way. Atomic Hub. Here we go. All right, can you see now?
Yep.
All right. First of all, this is a joint. It's called Gang Sign. Right? But that's actually pretty fire because those joints are worth money. And I'm going to show you where in a minute. So Roasted Reginald. I mean, everybody know who that is, right? Y'all got to know who that is. Y'all got to know who that is.
Reggie.
All right, that's Reggie Noble. For those that are in hip hop. I don't know if y'all in the hip hop or not, but that's Reggie Noble. Oh, Dangerous Daryl, DMC. Right? So they got a DMC. Another great quote. Shivering O'Shea. Once Corey answers his phone, we'll keep it moving. But you know,
yeah, I got my fault.
Corey getting called by the plug and whatnot. All right, so here's another one. So I got an Ice Cube, right? Shivering O'Shea, and if you it's combined again, and I'll show you how to use these. Rip the Richard. Who the hell is that? I gotta figure that one out.
A rapper, Richard.
Yeah. I gotta figure that one out. Killed off Ken. All right, so I know who that is. That's I call it Kenny. Alien voice Kenny. Always used to call me Kendrick Lamar. All right. Rabbit Russell.
That's
ODB. Dirt McGirt.
Yeah. ODB.
Morbid Melissa. All right, so this is Missy. That's a rare one too, by the way. All right, so now here's I'm gonna show you how this whole process works now. All right, so this is the thing about these hip hop cards, right? Let me pull this up real fast. I'm gonna share my screen again, Corey. All right, here we go. All right, so here's a game on the Wax blockchain. You see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right, it's called Our Planet. Now, if you look at these various, these are all different games, all different NFT games. I'm going down to Monsters of Rap. So by staking this, I'm actually getting paid every hour. I'm getting 119 ETH per hour. And ETH is another cryptocurrency that I can actually exchange for Wax, by the way. But these are all the things I have that are unstaked, right? So this O'Shea right here will get me 25 more per hour, 6.26 per hour. And this is what I said about the gang signs. 46 ETH per hour, 6.26, 6.26, 9.39, 15.65, 9.39, and this one right here, 31.29. Now, here's what's crazy, right? I'm going to show you what I already got staked. This is what I already got staked. I got an Easy. I got a couple Nas. So this is Nas. This is Nas. Reggie Noble. This is Run the Jewels. LL. Busta Rhymes, obviously. Jay-Z. Missy. Ice Cube. Nas. This is a Method Man, 25.03. But if you, as you can see, all of these are adding up to what I'm doing, what I'm accumulating. Now, I know people probably like, what the hell are you talking about? But again, as you can see, I have 832 ETH right here that I can just, you know, if I wanted to take right now, I'm just letting it build up because I'm getting paid every hour. And I got 43 minutes until I get paid again. Now, when I stake these, it's just going to add to it. You know what I'm saying? It's going to add to what I'm already getting. This is what's crazy about this. So I'm actually staking my NFTs and I'm getting paid for it, right? And it's getting paid in the form of something called Aether, which is a coin, again, on this blockchain. Now, real quick, I'm going to show you this real fast. And it's a lot more to it, so I don't want to get like, you know, try to say it's simple. But let's just say for argument's sake that I'm getting 10,000 Aether, right? All right, that's giving me close to 10 wax per day. I could then take these wax and turn them into Bitcoin. I could take it right to KuCoin, take all the wax, turn it to Bitcoin. Now, let's just say for argument's sake, I'm getting 10,000 Aether per day. Let's say I'm getting 100,000. That's not hard to do. I'm getting 97 wax per day, right? And I could do this every day, by the way. When you start to look at the numbers, you start to actually look at the numbers, and I'm not going to take the time to break all these numbers down. But when you look at what wax is worth, what Aether is worth, you're pretty much making 20% on your money on a monthly basis. That's not annual. That's a monthly basis. What a time to be alive, bro.
Yo, time to be alive. Listen, compounding.
I'm not even going to do that. I'm just talking about a single month. I can make 20.
I'm just saying, but that's compounding though, because if you just take the money and just let it pile up, and then put it, or you could take those and buy more, and then make it compound. So you can turn that into all kinds of like all depends on how big you trying to run that bag up.
And I'm all about the sats, so I'm stacking sats. You know what I'm saying? Stack sats and die trying. Right? Crazy. Listen, first of all, it's a lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? You see the hoodie right here, stack sets and die trying.
Man, listen.
You know what I mean?
It's out here. It's crazy, man.
So this is some of the stuff that we're doing right now, and some of the stuff about the light on. Some of the other stuff that we're going to share with the folks tomorrow, how to take the real estate, the stock market, add this piece to it. You add this piece to it, this will start outperforming your other asset classes, which will be crazy. You can get 20% per month. And that has nothing to do with some of the other returns that we're getting, right? We got some returns that we're getting right now where we get, matter of fact, you know what? Because people don't believe me. So what you got to do, you got to show your work, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Just yeah, man. It's crazy, man.
And the reason I don't want to get too deep into this is because it's not as simple as just like going to a site and doing
clicking
something
on it and then.
But at the same time, we walk folks through this. But here's what I'll show you real quick. I'm just gonna show you one thing. And this is what we into right now. All right. You see this right here, this APY. I don't know if you guys can see the APY right there. Do you see the APY right there, Corey? You see the APY?
Yeah, I can see it.
1,803.34. That's another one of our little hacks right there. Where we take our money and we make 1,008. Don't even sound real.
It don't even sound real.
803% on your money, right? So this is what we out here doing, man. So I wanted to show those couple things right there. Shout out to y'all that tuned in for that pack opening. But again, the hip hop cards is also fun as anyone who loves hip hop. You know what I mean? We're all collecting cards, man. You know what I'm saying? Missy, Busta Rhymes, all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna share this too, just to show y'all a couple other things on here real quick. Yeah, we don't play no games out here, man. We really get to it. And this the funny thing is, it's why I was telling folks about DCG. Like, a lot of this comes from being in the right spaces within DCG. DCG, like, what I pay in a month to be in DCG, I make that 15 times over. It's well worth it. And we about to go into June. When June start, listen, Jamar just told us a minute ago, June about to be crazy. We about to run the bag up. We about to all run 6-figure bags up just in the month of June. But real quick, let me show you this real quick. Where is it at? It's all right, so that's the pack right there. Our plan is what I want to show. So my screen's still up, Core?
Yeah, it's still up.
Is it on the let me see the Our Planet joint?
It's on the gold pack. So this is a Atomic Hub.
All right, no, so that's the wrong screen. Let me share the other screen. I'm gonna share the other screen real fast. This one right here. All right, so go back to here for a second. So if I go back to staking on this game, right? Something else I want to show you. Our Planet, which is a game in itself. So I have nothing unstaked. I'll show you what I have staked real quick. This is an actual miner, right? This actual car, which is an NFT by itself, is mining me 158th per hour. I'm sitting on 1,000 right now that I just haven't claimed because I just haven't claimed it. And I'm about to get another 150 in about 38 minutes. So I only have one here because I, sold some other ones. But imagine that I put 10 here. That's just going to build while I'm off doing whatever I want to do. My point is saying all this, right, is this is what's going on in the crypto world. So I want to make sure that our folks are prepared and see some of the stuff that we're talking about.
Listen, but listen to what you just said. I could just put my money there and let it sit there and collect more money, and I can go ahead about my and living my life. I don't even got to fight with the world.
Mm-hmm.
I can follow a process, get to these websites, use my money to make money, and go ahead about my life. So it's all about assets, whether they in the real world or they in whatever world you in, right? Because there's more than one world out here, and so there's money everywhere. And so what people need to realize is that you can get to this bag whether you got a little bit or a lot. You just got to be consistent and getting to it, right? If you don't got $1,000 a week or $2,000 a week, you got $500 a month, or you got $100 or $20 a month. And you can go ahead and grab some of this stuff and you can start letting that money work, right? As long as you're consistent. Consistency is the game. Following directions and consistency. That's it. You can go big.
Listen, man, you could listen. Y'all know Jasmine. Jasmine will tell you that we showed her some tricks, made her helped her trade options, took that bread and bought an investment property. So
Turned it from one asset class to another.
so the key is to make all these things work together. But I wanted to show y'all that because again, folks be thinking that a lot of times that it's just hyperbole and it's not. So Adrian, to answer your question, the NFT masterclass we have doesn't have this specific style or this specific strategy. It has a whole other set of strategies.
Yeah.
And the thing is, not even trying to be smart, we're doing that too. There's so many things within this space, right? I'm again, I ain't trying to go too deep, but right now, some of the stuff that we're doing, man, we're working with augmented reality. We're working with spatial reality and making money in all these different spaces. So this is like some of the stuff you get when with the whole DCG thing. But outside of that, just kicking it with us. Like if you got any questions, me and Corey always answer questions, always help you get set up because that's what we about. It ain't about no bread. Yeah, at that percentage is crazy, right? Think about that. Think about getting 1,900%
yearly
on anything.
Just sitting there.
Yeah, so that's what we talking about. Brianna, absolutely stupid percentages. Yo, and I'm gonna show y'all one more thing. Just because
you can.
Just because I can. Yo, I'm just gonna show a bunch of stuff.
And this is not even a bragging post. Like this joint is just really just about what's available. Right? Because
let me do one more.
It's just about what's available.
Just because, and the reason I want to do this one is because I know a lot of times people talk about risk. And I'm gonna show you how to make a bunch of bread without any risk.
No, just all reward. The USDC, USDT stakes. Just show them that.
Yeah, that's where I was going. Where you can actually stake 2 stable coins and make about a good 30% without taking
30-40% on your money. Just letting your money sit.
Let me see.
You only gotta sit it in no bank. Put it on the I think go to the reef.
Oh, that's on there too. All right, because I was going somewhere else, but hey, I can go there and get it. Hold up, real quick. All right. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, go to the reef. It's in there.
I got it right now. I'm about to share my screen. All right, so if you look right here, USDC, USDT, USDT, USDC, that's about 20%. So about 21.86 on that one, and this one about 19.74. This is in the stable coin. And for those that are in crypto, you already know what the stable coin is. So, And
it already got $1 million in liquidity. So
yeah, so that's kind of the stuff that we're talking about right now. So Jose, what's up, bro? Adrian says I haven't gotten options down yet. I'm like NFTs and be my own bank. Oh yeah. The thing about learning options, though, those skill sets are amazing.
Transferable.
Because you can use all those same skill sets and understand how to do that within crypto as well. But also, that's a way once you understand what you're doing when you're trading options and get the mental part and understand OCOs, you can make money for the rest of your life. That's what's powerful about options. Patricia, what's good? How are you? So Jose says tonight's episode highlights for this post about community within BTH. Gems on. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate you, man. A DeFi coin stable that's giving away more than a bank. Crazy. Yeah, Brianna. So that's kind of what we're talking about. Like, this stuff is out here. And the reason that Corey and I and even Jay have been having these conversations about like, yo, we got all these other things that are working, but we have to really concentrate and like make sure we're teaching about this space is because we see other communities and other cultures making money hand over fist right now. And I'm talking about, I've talked to people in the crypto community that are making easy 6 figures on a monthly basis. And most folks don't even know that they're doing it or that it exists. But this stuff is really out here. And once you understand those concepts, you can take this and just run with it. So I think it's important that we even just talk about this kind of stuff. Who's talking about staking NFTs? Nobody. All you see is celebrities wanting to get in the NFT space and do this, that, and the third. And
they don't know nothing, man. It's a buzzword. They noobs. I ain't gonna say they don't know nothing. They don't know nothing about what we getting into. They'll be in about 3 months. They'll be where we are now.
But the thing is, though, and that's the thing about, and I got to give credit to DCG again. I know that.
Yeah, man. DCG way ahead of the game.
But the reason I'm talking about DCG is because DCG stays ahead of the curve. Like the NFTs that average folks are talking about now, that was 2 years ago. There's already people within that circle that have made millions within space. So now we want a whole other angle. The stuff that I'm showing y'all, the stuff that I showed in the beginning of this episode, and that I'll continue to show over the next couple of weeks on here as well as our other platforms. You'll see this in the mainstream probably in the next year or so, probably a year from now. People will be talking about it. But when you talk about having a network, and that's why Corey's post was so powerful. That network is crazy. You know what I mean? Like, you see how to do that. A DeFi coin that's giving away more than the bank crazy. And Brianna also says, I'm understanding stablecoins better now. I took my alts during the dips and sent it to a stablecoin while getting 2% APY and died. That's just off watching it live and not knowing much about stable staking. Yeah. So a lot of times when the market goes down, I know Corey did this. Corey took out like 5 digits worth of ETH and moved it into a stable and just collected bread on the stable until he's ready to jump back on the other side.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go grab some while it's traveling downward. I'm gonna go probably grab some more.
So that's the excellent strategy, Brian. A lot of folks do that.
Listen, basically, I'm trading within my DeFi account, right? Because when it goes down, I buy some. When it goes up, I turn it back. You know what I mean? Like, so when it goes down, I turn it into a stable coin when I see it first start going down. When I feel like it hit the bottom, or whenever I feel like the price is comfortable, I'll grab some. Then I'll just wait. It goes up. Then I take it back out in more stable coin than I put in. So if I really wanted to turn it into US dollars, I just made a couple thousand US dollars that fast. If I buy 2 ETH at $2,000 and then ETH run back up to $3,000, and now I got 2 coins at $3,000, and I cashed those coins out, I just made a couple grand. I ain't even do nothing, and this is inside my own DeFi bank. So there's 10,000 ways to do this.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the truth. Brianna, no problem. Listen, this is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. Kevin, what's up, Kev? How you, bro?
We talking about NFTs, man. We talking
about banking, man. We talking about banking.
And DeFi banking.
Yeah, we about 2030 right now. So we'll try to come back to 2021. But that's kind of what we're talking about right now, like running your own bank within the palm of your
Listen, man, it's a lot of people out here doing it big, man. But these DCG dudes doing it a whole different way, man. Like they going berserk out here, man.
So that's just giving an idea of why.
Direction. Mm-hmm. If you can follow directions, literally, if you can follow directions and do exactly what they tell you to do, you cannot not make your money back from what you're paying for it. Like it's almost impossible to not make your money back. Like, you just got to put the time and effort into doing it. It's so crazy.
I'm gonna show y'all something else. I'm just showing everything now. I'm just because
you on one of those nights. Oh, yeah, what a night!
You got me in my bag right now. So let me show something else real quick.
I'm in my bag.
Adrian, we got you, Adrian. You know what I'm saying? We got you. Whatever questions you got, just ask. But let me show y'all something else real fast. Just because, again, a lot of my real estate folks be laughing at me because
Oh man.
I'm out here flipping digital.
You gonna show them how you bought the augmented reality joints or
I'm gonna say that for a future episode because they ain't gonna believe it either. But let's just, what I'm saying, I own my own high school now. I own my old high school. But let me show you something else real fast. This is just to show that all right, you see this? This is my email right here, right? And you see this OpenSea, new offer on my land, new offer on my land, new offer on my land, your item sold. You know what I'm saying? New offer on my land, 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 new offer on my land. Like, right? Those are all people putting in offers on digital real estate, right? Actually digital real estate. So I'm out here flipping lots. I'm flipping vacant lots in the digital world. I'm talking about paying, maybe $100 for something and selling it for $4,000. This a whole other income stream. This is what's really going on. That was my personal email. I just let y'all in on, and that's only because the folks that are here.
Because that's just love right there.
That's what we do. But no, that's kind of what's going on. So think about this. Think about the digital real estate. Think about the stuff we showed you earlier with the NFTs. Thinking about the staking with the stables, right? All of this stuff is within the crypto space. But then when you add on the other stuff that we teach within the university, right, which is the options that we do every Sunday. And the crazy part is A lot of people still don't understand the reason why we added precious metals, right? All of these things are helping to.
Ooh, gold is cooking right now.
But outside of
And
gold,
silver.
right? Let me tell you something about precious metals. How precious metals fit into all this. And I'm actually going to bring this up tomorrow. I'm going to give you an early bar. You look at all these other things, whether we're talking about crypto, stock market, real estate, these are all like ways to get rich, right? So the precious metals fits into the equation because precious metals is not get rich quick at all. It's a get poor slowly, right? It's the thing that eases your portfolio as other things happen. You talk about having stability and being a store of value. When the market was dropping like crazy last couple of weeks, even when crypto took this major drop, gold and silver still sitting there like, hey, because it's a true store of value. I'm buying money and I'm taking this money and I'm gonna store it in this thing and just sit it over here. It's storing a certain level of value. So you put a small piece of this into everything else we're teaching, and you have a well-rounded portfolio. You really don't even care from day to day what's going on in any market, whether it's crypto or the stock market. You just live in life and finding out ways to feed the machine.
I ain't look at the market all day.
You feed the machine, man. Listen, I got an option that I was up with crazy this week, but it's a leak that I haven't did. How you do this? I didn't even ask you this week. How you doing options?
I mean, I did all right. I won 4 days. I lost. No, I won 3 days. I lost 2. I made money, right? Because I got small losses, bigger wins.
Mm-hmm.
I came out up. Like it's about advancing. It's about making money. It's a job for me now. Like it's fun, but it's a job. You know what I mean? Like I really started taking what Tone said seriously. And Pastor Antonio Eubanks about the small losses and the big wins, man. And then I'm only making 1 trade a day. Well, I cheated. I made 2 trades in one day because I made it at the end of the day. But I didn't, because I saw something developing and I made a trade at the end of that day that came into the next day. But that was my trade for that day.
Okay. I made 2 trades this week. So I also took what
I do 5 a week. Basically, I do 5 trades a week.
I do about
our MDC trade, so 6 trades a week.
Yeah, I do the MDC, and I probably sometimes I do the one that I bring up on MDC. But this week, and I told everybody within the group what I was doing. When as Bitcoin went backwards, I positioned myself into a leap with Riot. Right now, I'm sitting on a Riot leap for 2023 with $1 strike price. Like literally my strike price is $1. So who knows where it'll be at, right? But that's for 2023. I have $1 strike price, so that should be crazy. I was already up and I know Bitcoin dropped today, but before the day, I looked like last night, it was like 28%. You know what I'm saying? But I have $1 strike. I went way in the money to buy this. So now I could do a couple things. I can sell contracts against it, or I could do nothing, see how it plays out. If Bitcoin does what we think it's going to do before this run is over by December, that contract will be worth a fortune. And that's what it is. I'll show y'all too. I'll send a screenshot to the group so y'all can see the strike price I'm sitting on. I'm sitting at $1 strike price. So that's kind of crazy right now. And I shared that with everybody already in the group, but I'll share it again. And Jose says, hey, the legend is here. Lance, what's good, Lance?
What's going on?
Listen, man, make sure if y'all haven't checked, go get the charting course at Bada Hood University from Lance, because that's next level. And you could ask our brother Russell, man. You can use that in crypto too. Crypto and the stock market. Jose says, my barber thought I was bullshit until I showed him OpenSea. I'm hopping on digital real estate by midsummer. No, it's real, man.
Yeah,
I've sold multiple NFTs on there. I'm still holding a bunch, as you can see when I showed you the emails. I'm still holding the stuff that they sending me stuff for. So, but then we've also transitioned into, from that, we got another space too, where it's going absolutely nuts with the spatial reality. So there's money all over this damn world, man. There's money all over the world.
If you can't get paid in a world this big,
you're worthless, kid. Like, listen, we done showed about 5 ways already since we've been on here. For those that tuned in from the very beginning, I know some people just came on. Y'all got to see how we are currently staking NFTs and making cash while doing other stuff. But that, I just want to make sure you guys understand that that's available right now. You know what I mean? But anyway, man. Corey, you got anything else you want to talk about, good brother? You know what I'm saying? Man, I want to make sure I came on the show that real fast because
no, man. Listen,
I think it's a game.
Yeah. I want to give away this NBA Top Shot NFT.
Okay. So anybody watching right now, who let me know who right now has a Top Shot account. Anybody got a Top Shot account?
Put a Y in there if you got a Top Shot account.
Yeah, let us know if you got a Top Shot account. Let me get the wheel spinning, Joinski, real quick. but I gotta find out who got. Let us know if you have a Top Shot account and if you're interested in getting a free Top Shot.
If you want a free Top Shot.
All right. So Adrian says, yeah. Brianna, Chris. Okay. All right. So here we go. We got some folks saying, yeah, about the Top Shot. Give it a couple seconds to see who all says, yeah. And then we going
We got Adrian, Christina, Stevie, Cookie, Brianna.
All right. Let me see. All right. So we got enough folks coming in there. All right. Let me get the website. Once I find that damn website, the wheel joint. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna start adding y'all to this wheel so we can figure out who got it. Another thing I need y'all to do is
we'll
wait to see who wins.
Share, like and share this. Like put it in the streets, man. We really out here cooking, and let people show people that there's really money out here. Like anytime that people tell you that like you lying about crypto and all that stuff, just show them this episode. Show them our previous episodes. Show them, you know what I mean? Like we really be on here giving the game away. These Friday lives really be out. We really just be out here giving it away. Because the whole thing is this is free game. Literally free game Fridays. Like we just be giving the game away. And so and then not only we giving the game away, we giving things away that people can use to make more money.
Yeah.
Right. So is really like, but with the free stuff that we give away between our Friday lives, our Wednesday podcast. Listen, y'all got to get into the Wednesday podcast because our guests be giving us stuff that they don't give no one else. They be giving away trade secrets that you just like. If you literally just watch our podcast, you could just come up off our podcast. You don't even like literally could just come up off the podcast. If you at the university, we doing the $1 million challenge and all kind like, so we just really be literally just trying to give money away because we want partners when it's time to do something major. You know what I mean? Like we want partners, man. Like,
all right, so I'm gonna put everybody's name into this wheel. I'm doing that right now. You can keep talking though, Cork. I'm gonna put everybody's name in here.
Yeah, so you know what I mean? Like when we go to do something crazy, like in real life, just go like buy a city, like Malik talking about buying up parcels and in big cities and little cities across the country where we just do our thing. When Malik ready to go do those projects, we should be right there ready to support him and go move there. Like, all right, we're gonna run a town. We're gonna find a quiet town to tie it down. Like, right, so that's all possible.
I'm putting these names. Anybody who wants to participate in this giveaway, please put your name in there. It's for an NBA Top Shot NFT. I want to make sure I repeat that so everybody know what it is. All right, Stevie's here as well. Because we're about to give away a Top Shot. Who else?
Cookie,
Christina,
Brianna, and Patricia.
All right, Christina, I got you.
Yeah, so make sure if you got an NBA Top Shot, she said she want a weed farm. Man, listen, that can happen. And anything's possible when you got the right circle around.
All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 folks. Because I think Brianna tried
she put it in there
name it twice.
That's cool.
I'm joking, man. All right, so I got Stevie, Christina, Patricia, Brianna, and Cookie. I'm missing one person.
Patricia, Cookie, Brianna, Stevie, Christina, and Adrian.
Adrian, yep, that's it. All right, so that's cool. I got it. Got you.
Yeah, all man.
Right. We got 6 folks in here. So we're about to spin this wheel real quick and do this giveaway. So Jose said, I wish I had one now.
It's all good.
Hey, listen, weed farm. Don't worry about that. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get that weed farm for you. All right, so cool. Let me share this real quick so we can do the spin and see who's winning. So we can get to working on our I Have a Dream speech for tomorrow.
I have a dream that one day.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, man.
Oh, y'all see this? So Patricia, Brianna, Cookie, Stevie, Christina, and Adrian, right? So we about to see who's gonna win. Patricia.
Oh, nice.
All right, so Patricia is the winner.
Yo, so do me a favor, shoot me an inbox with your NBA Top Shots name, and I'm gonna shoot you a Top Shot.
No doubt. All right, man. Congratulations, Patricia. So you won a free Top Shot. You did. Yeah. So that was that giveaway, man. I'm gonna think of some more giveaways, man. So we could just like literally give stuff away, man. As a matter of fact, man, you know what I'll do right now? I know a lot of y'all got a course, man, but I want to give away a course right now. I want to give away, and if you already got the course, I'm gonna give away what course you want to give away? Stock market combo course. I'll give you a choice. Stock market combo or precious metals course. And if you already got it, then you can just give it to somebody else. But I want to do this again. So anybody interested in this giveaway, I'm about to give away it's an either or. Either you get the stock market course or the precious metals course. Just put a Y in the chat whether you want it, and we'll give it away. And if you already got the course, I know a lot of you already got it. You can gift it to a family or friend. I'll send you a link to gift it to them as well. I just want to give one away just because why not?
Yeah, because you know what I mean. And
so just put a Y in the chat if you want a free course, a free Brotherhood course, and we'll do that.
Do a book too. Do a course and a book, an ebook.
Okay, fuck it, the book too. I care. All right, so we got Andrea, Adrian, Brianna, Cookie,
you know
Lance in here too.
So add an ebook in there. That'll be my contribution. So whatever you get, you're gonna get the ebook too.
Yeah. So Stevie's back in there. So let's put Cheryl. Cheryl wasn't in the last one, so we're gonna put her in this one too. What else we gonna do? Who else we got?
Carrie.
Carrie's
we got the king.
Shout out to my bro Carrie, man. Carrie is everyone's silent partner, man. You'll never see him. You'll never see him, but he get to it. All right, Don. Yo, Don, man. Don, you already know if you went like shit, man. I'm gonna put you in here anyway, man. So Don be cheating, man.
Yo, watch that John land on Don name or right next to that John. Whoever next to Don gonna win, or Don gonna win. Yo, he got like magic. He got like a magic dust.
No, man. Don is Mr. Robot, man. He got some sort of cheat code going on. All right, so I'll make sure I got everybody. Don, Angela, Carrie, Christina. All right, Carol. Blah, 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 blah. All right, that's everybody. All right, so. All right, going to let somebody win. Yo, Don, stop playing, Don. Don, cut your cheat code off right now before I spin this wheel.
Don a cheater.
I'll be out here wilding, man. Yo, before I spin the wheel, because I know a lot of folks just came in, I'm gonna show y'all real quick something I showed in the beginning of this show, and I'm only gonna show this again because I want folks to really pay attention to what's going on, right? So, Carrie and I have partnered with DCG, right?
Corey,
which is that's what I said. I said Carrie, my fault. Because Carrie just pulled up. So Corey and I partnered with DCG, because of the crypto education, right? So one of the brothers from DCG put me down with something this past week that I was sharing, and well, he put me down with a lot of things, but as
that's the one thing that you was able to take advantage of right away.
Right. So here's what it is, right? We're staking NFTs and we making money staking NFTs. So I just want to show you this real quick. And the only reason I'm showing this is because I want folks to understand that this is something that's going on right now. So I'm getting ready to share my screen. Corey, need you let me know whether it's actually
all right,
shared or
not.
Up. All right, got you. That's what she said.
Yeah, it's up.
Are you ready? All right, cool. All right,
that's exactly what she said.
So this is a game, right? This is a game on the Wax blockchain where you could take your NFTs and you can stake them and get a revenue. So I'll show the hip hop, the Masters of Rap. I'm gonna show this one real fast. So if you look at all these are various NFT cards that I have. This is a brother that worked at Topps made this thing where they took a combination of monsters and famous rap artists and made NFTs. But as you can see this number above them, this is a coin called an Aether coin. It shows you how many you get paid per hour just for staking them. And as you can see right now, I have 15 cards staking. I'm making about $119 per hour, right? So, matter of fact, I'll just do this right now while we got you right live on air. Who cares? Just to show you just how simple of a process it is. Approve it on the blockchain. As you see, it goes okay. So he kind of like disappeared off here because this is my unstaked stuff. I just added him to stake. So now if you look at my stake, these are all the folks I have staked, which is making up how I make that 119, right? So I got two. And the difference in this one being 939 and 6.26 is dependent upon the actual card number that it is, right? So some of these cards are paying a lot of Aether. Now, what I also showed was I can go right here and turn that Aether into wax. I could then go to, if I wanted to, another quick cheat code I'm just going to put out there. We're just giving everything away. I could, at this point, I could take the wax, right? I can go to KuCoin and turn it into Bitcoin or Ethereum. So, yes, it's per hour. And this is how we cooking. You know what I'm saying? Man. Don says, it's keeping my soul pure by not eating Chick-fil-A. Shout out to my Chick-fil-A peeps right there, man. Don, Chick-fil-A. All right, man. So, and yeah, and Lance, by the way, that's per hour.
Yes, per hour, not per week, not per month, per hour.
And if y'all want more information about that, just let me know. Like I said, we got a special right now for DCG, but I'll talk about that in a second because right now we're about to do another giveaway. Let's do a giveaway before we get out of here, Corey. Yep. We get ready for tomorrow. So here's the wheel. All right, I think I got everybody. I got Patricia, Brianna, Cookie, Stevie, Christina, Adrian, Lance, Cheryl, Carrie, Don, and Angela. Am I missing anybody? Y'all got, if I am, man, y'all got a good 30 seconds to tell me if I'm missing anybody from this. I'll read the names off again. Let's make sure I'm not missing anybody. Carrie's in there.
Oh, he's in there.
Patricia, Brianna, Cookie, Stevie, Christina, Adrian, Lance, Cheryl, Carrie, Don, and Angela. So I'm not missing anybody. All right, Andrea, she's not on there? Hold up, let me see.
I see Adrian, but I don't see Andrea.
All right, I'll put her here real quick. I just want to make sure because folks be trying to sneak their name on here twice. All right, that's why. All right, so now she's at. Anybody else missing? Oh, we got two Andreas in here. That's why.
It was two. Oh, okay. It's two different.
I guess I missed both.
Gardner and Sanders. You got to put
Andrea G. Yo, so. And by the way, hey, Andrea.
Andrea. I like that name because my middle name is Andre. So that name.
All right, so now y'all both on here, right? So there we go. Hello, Miss Gardner. How are you, by the way? Good to see you again.
Right.
But yeah, so we got everybody on here, all right? And by the way, just because we are extra giving, right? We're gonna give away whatever course you want, whether it's the stock market or the precious metals course, whatever it is. And if you happen to already have the course, don't even worry about it. You give it to somebody else, and we're gonna give away an entry into our university. Because I don't think people realize the power of the university till they get in there. And for those that are in the university, y'all know the kind of spirit and kind of camaraderie we have and the stuff that we do within there. So that means that if you have a cousin that doesn't have the course and you give them the course, we'll let them in too. Like who cares? Like we just giving away stuff.
And a book.
Oh yeah, and a book. So we're gonna do two of these. We're gonna do two spins, right? Let's do two spins. One is a book.
Okay.
First one is the course. The second one is the book.
Okay.
All right, there we go. So here's the first one. This is for the course. Or how about this? Whoever wins this one picks.
Oh, Cookie.
All right, so Cookie, let us know in the chat real quick, Cookie. Do you want a course or do you want a book? And whatever you don't choose is the next spin. So, Cookie, you do win. And Cookie, if you actually win this, Cookie, first of all, if you want a course, let us know whether you want the precious metals or the stock market combo. Because those are the two choices. So you either get those two, any one of those courses, and, let's make sure Cookie's still here. Cookie might have bounced. And Cookie bounced.
Cookie ain't bounced.
Just making sure Cookie didn't bounce. That's all.
She says she wants the course.
All right, so Cookie, which course do you want? Do you want the precious metals or do you want the stock market combo? So now that she got the course, we're going to give away a book too. Our best-selling book, Own Your Time and Space. That looks awfully close to Stevie. Stock market combo. All right,
gotcha.
Cookie, shoot me an inbox right now. That way, as soon as I get off here, I'm going to make sure you have it. And now we're about to give away a book. One more. This is the last one. So we gave away a NFT, NBA Top Shot NFT, of course. And here go the book right here. Oh.
G.
Yeah, G.
You just won a book. Hey, congratulations to you. You just won a book.
Hey, Andrea, shoot me an inbox with your email. I'm pretty sure I already have your email, but just shoot me an inbox with your email anyway. Cookie, same. Shoot me an inbox with your email, and I'll make sure you guys have both of those things tonight. Andrea, I'll get you the book. As a matter of fact, Andrea, you don't have to get the book. You want a course? I'll give you a course too. Just tell me what you want, a book or a course, whatever you want, Andrea. That's how we playing it today, Corey.
Yeah, why not?
You get a course too if you want. The choices for the course are the stock market or the precious metals course, whatever one you want. Just tell me which one you want. You get that too. You know what I'm saying? I think next week we're going to give away like a Google Home or something.
Yeah.
About to turn this joint into our Friday show about to turn into the Price is Right, man.
Yo, listen, why not?
Oh, precious metals. All right, cool. I got you. So just shoot me the inbox.
The crazy part is the community give us so much. Why not?
This is true. Last thing I want to say is this. And I'll pull this up real fast. Like our special that we have right now for the folks that want to take it to the next level, right? So a lot of folks have taken all of our courses, but our top of the line offering is that partnership with DCG. And for anybody interested in a partnership with DCG, that's on By the Hood University, but also can shoot you the direct link to that. But anybody who signs up for DCG that comes through us, we're going to give you 5 courses on top of everything you get with DCG. Crazy part about DCG is there's daily trainings. There's multiple daily trainings. It's for the people that are really trying to do this like full time.
You're trying to get numbers. If you're trying to put numbers up, that's where you need to be.
So what we're going to do is anybody that signs up for DCG, we're going to throw in intro to the stock market analysis, precious metals, intro to price action, as well as 3 ways to triple your money in crypto. So that's 5 courses. 5 courses we'll give away on top of the DCG. So you'll have enough material when you
the last 6 weeks.
But the thing is, when you go through that, you just become a full-fledged beast. You can start learning about NFTs, because the thing about the NFT space is within DCG, we have a whole channel on the Discord for nothing but NFTs. That's where you get some of this information I showed about NFTs. There's a whole channel for folks that want to trade on a day-to-day basis in the crypto market. There's a channel for swing traders. There's a channel for everything. So the fact of the matter is, however you want to take this, there's a channel for stock options, channel for everything, man. So what kind of bread do you need to start? So shout out to everybody giving each other congrats within the chat. That's dope too. But I want to answer this question. What kind of bread do you need to start? It all depends upon which way you want to go, right? So are you looking to do swing trading, day trading? Are you looking to buy NFTs? Because you could buy certain NFTs, like, cheap. Now granted, you buy them for cheap, you're not going to make, but as you start to accumulate them, you can let them pay for themselves. That's the idea, right? Because what I just showed you about getting that Aether, turning into wax, I don't have to take that. As a matter of fact, what I'm doing right now is, and this is like more of a high level thing. When I get the wax that I get from the Aether, I'm providing liquidity, and now the liquidity is going to pay me another 30%. But I don't want to
on top of the percentage that he's on.
But I don't want to get into that because that's like another hack. But it all depends upon what exactly it is you're trying to do. I say that because
yes, ma'am, Miss Adrian, you can. If you already got some of the courses, you can definitely get those to another.
Yeah, Adrian. So that's how we're gonna do it. So if you join DCG and we give you 5 courses, and you're like, well, I already got 3 of them. Those 3 courses you can give to the same person or whoever else you wanted to. What I'm gonna do is create a link that gives you 1 free course per link. So you can send it to somebody else. Either you click on it, add it to your account, or you can send it to a family member. However you want to do it. Let me see. So that's a great question. I'm gonna pull this up. This is an aside. Shout out to everybody coming out. The event is completely sold out, which is powerful. Shout out to everybody that copped the ticket to this event. But we are in Delaware tomorrow morning. We are in Delaware. I'm gonna show this last thing. It's called Real Life Monopoly. It's in Claymont, Delaware. We got 4 hours, 2 minutes, and 30 seconds. Well, that's counting down at midnight. I'm about to say we're definitely not starting at midnight, but it's counting down to the day, right? So it's 10 speakers. It's a 25 ticket, but the ticket's already going down. But we got A. Lee, right? We got my man Lorenzo. They real estate beasts.
And they come from By the Hood University.
Yeah, Benicia's coming in from Texas. We got the Haitian CEO. We got our sister, real estate Tracy. Corey. You know what I'm saying? Get it in London. Like this brother right here has a full fitness company. And he's talking about that. Do 215, man. I don't know if you guys have saw his episode on By the Hood. But this brother worked a full-time job. For those in Philly who understand, he worked for the parking authority. But while working for the parking authority, the brother bought 100 rental property, 100 units, and walked away from his gig. But he did that all while working a full-time job. And Atia's talking about how to get $1 million in real estate within 1 year. So that's kind of what she's talking about. Then you got Courtney, who's talking about like planning in terms of wills, trust, estates, and the power of how to use those. Then we got this legendary dude right here. So myself and Corey will be on stage together. We're talking about diversification, how to take the real estate money and spread it amongst other asset classes. So that's kind of what that is. But that's in Delaware. It's in Claymont, Delaware. It's tomorrow morning. It is sold out. So shout out to everybody. I know some folks in here already got tickets, but that's going to be fire. Also, we might be in Atlanta next month. Still working on that. And we definitely are in Orlando, and I think September or something like that. Adrian, I'm still trying to figure out whether I'm going to get booked for Chicago.
All you have to do is upgrade. The report come with it.
Yes. Let me see. All right, let me see. Congrats to all the winners. So that's what we're doing there. I have a cousin starting at MSU in the fall and want to give him some financial knowledge as a head start. That's dope, Adrian. That's dope.
Just to know, that's a recurring monthly thing. So even though we're going to give you all that stuff up front, that bill that you're going to get is going to be recurring.
Well, see, I don't know who she gets to report through. So that I don't
Oh, okay.
So shoot me an inbox, Cheryl. We'll figure it out. We'll figure that part out. But Kev, yeah, we'll be in Delaware, Kev. We'll definitely be in Delaware. That's in Claymont. It's in Claymont, Delaware. That's tomorrow morning. But we about to be all over the place. How far
on the other side of the Dover's on the other side of the state. Claymont, Dover.
Okay. Oh, you said show something. Okay, yeah, we'll talk though. We'll talk because I got to figure out how we can do that. But anyway, with that being said, though, thank y'all folks for tuning in this Friday. Like I said, we'll be back here next week talking about Lord knows what. But this week we showed y'all something. We showed us something last week too. I'm bringing matter of fact, every week I'm gonna bring something new because there's so many things going on and so much to talk about. Like just with the returns and everything that's going on in the market, it's it's always something to talk about now. So I'll be just bringing new toys every Friday from now just because I find it fun. Don't forget to hit Corey up about that NFT, the NBA Top Shot.
She already shot me the joint. I already got it. So as soon as I can, because I think they only allow you to move one joint a month.
Yeah. Patricia, not yet. I'll definitely stay in tune. We definitely let you know about that. Real question: can you turn into $1 billion realistically? Well, how much are you starting to work with?
Yeah, it all depends on what your working capital is.
Yeah. Realistically, I mean, you can turn anything into $1 billion. I mean, you can turn a trash truck into $1 billion. All depends upon what your goals are, what you're trying to do. But anyway, man, yeah, I'll let you know, Patricia. So that being said, don't forget to the folks, if y'all haven't already, because I'm not looking at my inbox, to shoot me the inbox. I'll get those courses over to you. Corey will get the NFT to you. We back here. Also, our podcast, our most recent podcast, right? Our most recent podcast is about Minky Blue. We got a sister on who has her own company that she manufactures products, and her first product is called
Minky Blue.
Minky Blue. Yeah, it's amazing. It's a black-owned company that sells handbags and things like that. So that is absolutely fire. And she's in Macy's now. She's built it up to the point where she's being carried in Macy's. So that's amazing. Our next episode, we actually got our brother in our next episode, and we did this because we're talking about getting off-market real estate deals. So Malik is actually on the next episode about it. And y'all probably we see y'all Malik every Sunday. But no, this is special because the next episode, Malik, isn't about him because y'all know about him. We talking strategy. We talking about actually
real estate strategy.
Yeah, talking about how to buy real estate off market, so stuff that's not on the MLS. So that's on the next episode. This Sunday we're in the Black Wealth Project talking about Lord knows what, and tomorrow we're out in the streets. And that's pretty much it.
See, we get busy.
Also next week, by the way, we're gonna drop the link for the Buy the Hood camp. So we still gonna do the camp this summer. We're gonna make it virtual for all the kids, and it shall be free. But we're gonna drop the link. So if you have kids anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, they can sign up to be as part of this Buy the Hood camp. And for the adults out there, we are looking for volunteers to help us manage this thing because we feel like if we open it up online, it's going to get crazy. So, if anybody wants to find a way to give back, talk to the babies and help them teach about like financial services or just personal finance, real estate, whatever your thing is, let us know about that too. Shoot us a message. Um, because that's what we try and do. We looking for volunteers to help us with this. Because again, we don't charge the babies anything at all, but we know that it can be overwhelming when we get the number of folks that we're going to get. So,
Adrian, the age range for the camp is anybody that can read up to 20, whatever, 22, 23. Basically, if you're in college, from kindergarten to college.
Yeah, so we usually say 5 years old, but they got to be able to read. Like, so our youngest student we had as far as 5, and they were fire, by the way, they were smart. But 5, they could read. The way she came up with her name was hilarious. Yo, Don saw the episode. Yeah, that definitely was hilarious, bro.
It was hilarious. So
yeah. So, but yeah, any adults looking to volunteer to help us out. And again, it's going to be online. So when we say help out, we mean things like just come through, possibly talk to them or give them pointers, or if it is something like maybe in terms of organizing, like whatever you could do to help. We just look for people that volunteer to help the kids as part of the camp. But we'll have information about that. So, how long is the camp? So
probably 4 to 6 weeks.
It's probably about 4 to 6 weeks, probably 4 to 6 days. So generally, what we do is when we did it in the street, it was about like 6 weeks. So it was like 6 Sundays. We met from maybe like 2 to 3 hours. So we're going to try to replicate that. So it'll probably be either 4 to 6, days, like all be on the weekend. So, okay, cool. Hey, Miss Cheryl, what's going on? So,
hey, Miss Cheryl.
Listen, Miss Cheryl is amazing. She has a program right now that we've been working with in terms of teaching their students.
It's not all day. It's probably gonna be 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah,
Miss Garner.
Yeah. So, and her students are amazing. So, Miss Cheryl, just want to say thank you for that opportunity to talk to your students. And I know we got one more class left with your students, and we'll definitely be there with the last class for your kids. But thank you for the opportunity.
Appreciate it.
Jose said I'd be happy to volunteer for the evening and weekend. Okay, appreciate that. Yeah, it's not all day. Probably maybe like 3 hours at the most on one day. So you talk about it's about 18 hours total, but it's going to be a lot of stuff. And we'll start from the very beginning because we don't know where every student's at, but we'll talk about what is money. Like, we'll start from that very basic beginning all the way up to how to break down a company. So, that's kind of what we're doing. So look out for that this upcoming week. Other than that, man, for the folks that are coming to our event tomorrow, we shall see you there. Make sure you're there so we can, snap some photos and chop it up. For the people that won the prizes tonight, congratulations. For everybody else that got an opportunity to see what we're doing in the NFT space, hopefully that piqued your interest. And, it is what it is. For the folks looking to join DCG or get some more information about DCG, shoot me an inbox about that as well. Like I said, we're giving away free courses for that too. Other than that, man, just want to say appreciate y'all and love y'all, man. We'll be back here next Friday.
Ready to do it again.
Yes, sir. All right, peace.